What types of laptops are there? Brother, I want to buy a laptop but I don't know which one to choose. So many names: notebook, ultrabook, gaming, business. Seriously, there are many types of laptops. Let me explain each one to you. First up is the notebook laptop. These are basic for tasks like Word, Excel, YouTube, Zoom, in other words, for daily use. Whether you're a student or a home user, you can easily find them between $12,000 to $25,000 on a tight budget. This is the best option. Now let's talk about ultrabooks. These are thin, lightweight, and have a premium look. The battery life is amazing and the performance is super smooth. Need to look stylish for office presentations, travel, or classes? Get an ultrabook. In third place, gaming laptops. Just hearing the name gets you excited, right? Graphics card, RGB keyboard, fast refresh rate screen. These are not just good looking, but also powerful in performance. GTA, PUBG, video editing, everything will run smoothly, but you'll need to spend over $50,000. Next, we have business series laptops. Series like ThinkPad, Latitude, EliteBook, which are not only durable but also smart and secure. Fingerprint lock, privacy shutter, and strong body, perfect for office folks. Now let's talk about a bit more advanced users. 2-in-1 convertible laptops, meaning both a laptop and a tablet. Touchscreen, stylus support, and foldable design. This is a dream gadget for creative people. Are you a heavy user? Do you run auto CAD? Then head straight for workstation laptops, Xeon or i9 processors, 32GB RAM, Quadro graphics. These are performance monsters. Editing, architecture, designing, everything runs like a breeze. And yes, there's one more category: Chromebooks. Simple, lightweight, and meant only for online work. Perfect for Zoom, Google Docs, and browsing. Very affordable and durable. On a tight budget and just need to study online, Chromebook is the best. So now you must have understood a laptop is not just a machine, it's a companion based on your work. Whether you're a student, in an office, a designer, or a gamer, there's a different series for everyone. If you're also thinking of buying a laptop and want a good deal for $12,999, then comment "need laptop" and I'll guide you to the right option. If you liked the video, do like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected with me for more easy knowledge related to tech.